Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps on iPhone. First, what you want to do is go to your app library or home screen and just tap on the app that you want to delete. So tap and hold, or just tap and hold this one, and as you can see, there will be a remove app option right there. So just tap on that, and you could either remove it from the whole screen or completely delete the app. Let's say I just wanted to remove it from the home screen, so tap on the middle one right here, and if I go to app library, it will still be there. So let's search for fitness. So as you can see, it is still there. And if you want to just delete the app, just tap on it again, tap on remove app, and just tap on delete app right here, and the app will be completely gone. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.